Hi everyone, Bruno here. Welcome back to the channel. We have a new floor plan available. Last year for 2024, Entegra Coach introduced the Condor. For 2025, they've introduced the Condor 23S. This is built on a Mercedes all-wheel drive chassis. It's a 3500 series chassis, 2-inch thick walls, heated garage with track, and we'll show you the garage now because this is what makes the Condor a little bit different. They've got this great storage area in the back. You can see it's set up to put lots of different gears, but you've got these L tracks. You could essentially, put a ramp here, get a little motorcycle in, maybe some electric bikes, whatever kind of gear you want to travel with. And that's the advantage of having the all-wheel drive series. As you notice, there's 3 access points for this rear garage so that you have that storage maximized. Now, we'll see if we can do this one-handed. Here's our water station with our water filter and our dump station. And it's nice that it's up in here in the compartment rather than down below, so you have better ground clearance for traveling. Now, let's take a look inside the coach at some of the features that this 23S is going to bring you. Again, it's an all-wheel drive chassis, which is also great for us Canadians. If you're leaving in the winter and traveling, you've got that sure-footedness of the all-wheel drive if it happens to be snowing the day you've planned to leave. In the cockpit area, traditional Mercedes setup with all your safety features that your Mercedes vehicle is going to have. Your media center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Up top, we have our TV set right over here, as well as storage bins off on the side to have a ton of storage. Up top, we also have this really nice skylight with its shade if you don't want too much light in during the day. For eating, you have this sofa area here with the movable tables that can pivot around to sit in different spots based on what your usage needs to be, or whether you're working away from home and need a space to put your laptop, etc. Kitchenette-wise, we have a nice countertop, stainless steel sink, storage down below, and there's good storage under here for pots and pans. As we pop our drawers open, they're decent drawers, a window to let natural light in, some storage above with our convection microwave. Across, we have our main centers here, so our power control telling us what we're currently hooked up to, and then our multiplex. And of course, the multiplex will be set up to be synced to an app on your phone. So multiplex is nice because you can set your lights on and off, look at your gauges for your tanks, turn on your water pump, look at your voltages for your battery, start up your generator, or even set your automatic generator start. And it's just a simple touch of a button. You have access to a multitude of choices for lighting, for temperature control, to put your awning in and out. Now, bathroom-wise, let's take a little look here. So this door can pin in place to give you privacy. It is a wet bath, but it is one of the larger wet baths that I have seen. You can flip this down so that you have a sink for washing your hands, and that is spaced nicely, as well as a window overall. When we close that door, we have our fridge here off to the side. Decent little fridge, and then pantry space as well. Now, really, it's a twin bed setup in the 23S, but that twin bed can be converted into a king-size bed. So you have here, the insert can be placed in, and that way it converts it to a larger area. However, I do like the idea of this twin bed because you can step up, and even if you had some hip or knee issues, you can step up and actually just sit yourself down on the bed itself. Nice large windows, 3 of them in the bed area, and then really good storage as I pan across here for the storage itself. Our air conditioner is located here at the back. Let's pivot around. We'll make our way back up front, show you the floor. Just, they've picked some nice finishings overall. So if you're looking for something to be a little different, get off the beaten path, you like the all-wheel drive, you like the Mercedes diesel for its reliability and its fuel economy, this Condor may be an option for you. Take a little closer look at Entegra Coach. This does have an interesting appeal in my opinion. It looks like it could be a lot of fun to travel with and take some gear to get off the beaten path. Anyways, Bruno from RVing TV, thank you for viewing the video. Please click the like and subscribe. It greatly assists our channel for growing. Thank you to you, our viewers, for making the channel what it is. Check back soon for more great product on Entegra Coach and other manufacturers around. Take care and be safe.